Hi guys, welcome to Digital Smart Tutorials. In this video we will learn how to fix TikTok missing icon. First we will have to go on our TikTok. In this section you will see on the upper top corner the missing icon is not there. So what we will have to do, first we have to go on our Play Store. So here is our Play Store. So tap on a TikTok. So if there is an update available, click on the update your TikTok accounts. So after updation account, what we will have to see, you will easily see here the eye icon is shown here. In this way you can easily fix your missing icon. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.